Hello guys, how you guys doing today? My name is Kevin and today I want to show you guys about a website that you did not know exist. And this is part 1 of the various websites that I'll be sharing with you guys which you never knew existed. All right? So, come straight with me. Let's go and explore this amazing website. I mean, if you love playing with graphics, images, I mean, if you love relaxing yourself while you're playing with graphics, producing amazing graphics, producing graphics that would blow people's mind. Oh my God, I love this website. So come with me. Let's go. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share this video and blow out this website because I want people to use it and I hope that you're going to use it too. All right. All right. Let's go. Thank you. All right. So let me go out of this. All right. So we are here. Now, this website is called Ideogram AI. Ideogram AI. Okay. Now, what is Ideogram AI? It's a website where you can create powerful images from prompts. If you know me, I like creating images from using, from prompts, writing prompts with ChatGPT and then using it on different AI software. I like trying those software just to see how they work. I enjoy those images. I enjoy the graphics. I enjoy the artwork. There are some people that says that AI doesn't create artworks because it's not human. It doesn't have feelings. Well, that's your opinion, and I respect it. But I have a different opinion to that as far as it's concerned. I just love the fact that I can imagine something in my mind, write it down, ask AI to write this prompt for me. It will write it down, and then I can use it and create wonderful images and graphics and pictures and artwork. All right. So all right, let me show you guys how ideogram work. I'm going to show you guys how ideogram work. Now, is it free? Yes, it's free. It's not totally 100% free. All right. There is a portion that there's a part of it that is free. You can use it for free, but it has limitation. If you can see right here, you can upgrade. I have an upgraded account, but you can still upgrade to other levels. All right. So I have the basic upgraded account. Now, let me go ahead and show you guys how this powerful website works. Are you ready? I'm going to do this example using the images that are in ideogram, and then I'm going to show you some of the images that I have created based on my prompt. All right, I'll go back to my own images and show you guys. Now, let me just scroll down. This is like a this is like a community within the website where people create their own images and graphics and just post them to the site so that you can come. If you're inspired, if you love any of them, you can reproduce it and then use it for whatever reasons you want to. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down here. As you can see, look at these powerful images. As you can see here, so powerful, beautiful images. They look very real and artistic. All right, very real and artistic. So I'm going to choose one that I like. Let me see which one I would choose. And just scroll down. Dun, dun, dun. All right, see. Okay, scroll down. All right, let's say we use this image. I'll open it. When you open it, you're going to see the prompt that was used to create this image right here. So this is the prompt that was used to create this image. You can see the different images that was created from this prompt, because when you put your prompt into the prompt text box, and click on generate, it generates 4 different graphics for you to choose whichever is best for you to use. All right, so let me see. If I go here, you'll see it has a different image right there. Here it has a different image right there, And then here it has a different image right there. Are you seeing? Can you see the details in the text, the details in the characters? Now you have two prompts. You have this prompt, and then you have the magic prompt right here. You can open, click more to see the details of the prompt, and then you can click less. The details of the image that is created is here. The model that was used is here. The quality, resolutions, and everything are here. And then you can see the original prompt. This is the original prompt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on copy this prompt, and I'll just click here to go back to the home page. So remember, I copied that prompt, so it's in the clipboard. All right, so this is the text box. All right, look at another beautiful image right there. So I'm going to paste it right here. Then what I want to change, I'm just going to change the word furious. Let me say, let me just put spider. All right, let's put spider instead of furious. Spider. Okay, and then do I change the characters? Let's just leave the characters there. All right, and then here, look at this here. Oh my God. All right. So here, this is automatic. If you use this option here, you click the AI is just going to create it automatically. So you're not giving it any kind of specification or anything like that. All right. If you want to give specifications, you can now go to general and click here, realistics, design, 3D, and then, but if you want, just an automatic generation, you can, just use it right there. And then you can either use auto on, you can use off, magic. So if you want to use magic, this is magic prompt. If you want the prompt to be converted to a magic prompt, I'm not going to do that. Then the aspect ratio, you can either use this 16.9 or 16 is to 9, 1 is to 1, and then 9 is to 16. And then you have public or private. So if you click on private, it tells you that you need to upgrade, because private means the images, the graphics that you create would not be in the community. It only saves privately to you. All right. Okay. Let's just leave that like that. And then the model here, they have two models, and this is the latest one, no, three. This is first, second, and then the third one, which is the advanced one, right? You can now change. Now you have the auto color palette. You can change the colors. So let's see the colors that we can use. I'll click on the arrow and select, let me see, I'm going to select this one. And then I click out, and then I'll click on, so each time I click on generate, it's going to use 2 credits. All right. Generate. Now let's wait. As you can see, it's generating right here. Now while it's generating, you can even click here and then just keep scrolling down and looking at different images, and then you're seeing the progress. You have 63% completion right here, and you can continue to just go down and look. I love this one here. I can probably want to use that next. So it's almost ready. We are at 99%. Okay, it's generated. So I'll click the arrow again, and then look at it. I click here and look at, can you imagine the result? Now, this one is not, I mean, it's a logo of a spider, but you're not seeing the word for this one. All right. And the characters, look at the way they are. And let's go to the next one. This one too looks a little different with the spider behind. And then this one has the spider logo as letters, like letters or words. Yeah, the spider logo as words logo or text logo. You can say text logo. Yeah. The next one here, we still have the text logo, not the spider image as a logo. So this is how you use ideogram. All right. Do you guys like it? You love it? All right. So now let me show you guys what I've generated. So since I clicked the results, it came out, and then I'm going to see the history of what I've generated based on my own prompt. All right. This is a thumbnail that I generated a few minutes ago to use it for one of my videos. And then if you keep going down, you're going to see, as you can see, these are images that are generated. Look at this. Look at these images. Man, I love the results that I get whenever I'm using ideogram. Okay, so I want to show you guys ideogram. If you want to use ideogram, it's simple. I mean, I'm not promoting it, I'm not having an affiliate link to it, but I can leave the link to the website on the description of this video, or you can just go to Google and search ideogram.ai, and then you'll be able to have access to ideogram. You sign up for free. You can start using your free account to generate some some images. Now if I wanted to download that image, let me see which one I like. Let me say this one. Okay, if I wanted to download this one, I'll just click on this three dot here and then click on download, and then it gives me two options. If you have a free account, you can only download the JPEG, you cannot download the PNG. Okay, but since I have basic account, is upgraded account, I can download the PNG quality, which is high quality. PNGs are high quality, and then I save it to my computer. All right, so that is how you use ideogram, guys. This is just one of many software that creates images with AI, and I'm going to be showing you guys some more in my next videos. I just wanted to show you about ideogram. So I believe that you were excited, and I believe you also enjoyed the video. See you again, guys, in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you can get notified each time I post. Thank you, and bye bye.